Alrighty guys, let me show y'all something. Mere amateur. This is a rookie mistake if I ever seen one. Y'all see that? Boy, if the customer saw that, they would have a fit. We're going to have to let this back down and reset this up, guys. He caught the body. Yes, you can use the frame to lift up a car. In fact, the lift points. This is a Dodge Durango look like. Here's one of the lift points. Here's another lift lift points. And of course, like I say, you can use... Ooh, this actually may have some wiring harness inside, but you can use, depending on, I would have used, I don't know, I would have went right here. Okay, I would have passed this because this potential, yeah, this carry wiring harness. So you could, in essence, smash, ooh, you can cause some electrical issue. I would have went right here. Put this right up under here. All right, now as far as this side, ooh, oh. That's not good. So, yeah, we're going to have to let this down and start over. Like I say, it's a rookie, man. Mere amateur over here. It's not good, man. Let's see. So, from this angle, it looked terrible. Do not, I repeat, do not bring the customer in right about now. We're going to start this over, guys. We're going to let this down. We're going to grab it right here. All right, so all you new mechanics out there, yeah, this looks bad. The optics alone is bad, okay? Even if the customer don't see it. Yeah, I ain't seen this in a while. Axle. This is it's ticking noise when you turn. Y'all remember, anybody old enough to remember we used to repair these? We used to take these axles out and put a boot kit on it. I know you ain't doing it, but don't nobody do it now, but yeah, there used to be a boot repair kit. We get a bag of grease, bang off the axle, end of the axle, and put a new boot on it. But if it's ticking, chances are it's gone. This is a four-wheel drive. Yeah, this is four-wheel drive, so you got rear axles. So it's in the rear. You got a drive shaft going to the rear and then axle. Yeah. But, so it's not so much. Still considered a differential, but different. Yeah, y'all know the drill. But my thing is these lift points, okay? All right, I can't dwell on this all day. Let me let this down, or get him to let it down. Look at that. Bad optics, guys. All right, I gotta go.